Hey y'all, today we are trying out a new foundation wait, what? A new foundation palette? No. What? No. A new eyeshadow palette. Holy moly. This is the Kiko Milano Lost in Amalfi. I'm gonna guess that's how you say that. This is called the Maxi eyeshadow palette. This is what the box looks like. Very pretty. And then I show you guys more of the eyeshadow palette and stuff in the video, but this packaging is super pretty. It's got kind of flowers on it. It's really beautiful, you guys. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it too well, but it's gorgeous. So if you are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting here on my channel. I want you guys to see the shadows, the shades as they are. Really, ring lights and artificial lighting can really make things look different, make the shimmers and metallics pop more. I want you guys to see exactly what it is. So all natural lighting it is. Also, we are doing giveaways. This is our 7 days of giveaways. This is day 3. So if you guys want to enter that, watch and see what I'm giving away today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and let's hop in. All right, lovelies, we are back with day 3 of our 7 days of giveaways, and this, I have to show you guys the packaging. You pull it out and it has this beautiful paper. You can slide this right off. This reminds me of luxury products. Dior, Givenchy, things like that. It's just, I don't know, it's very upscale to me. Even the way they have these laid out, this is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Look at that. It's pretty big, but I think it's still travel friendly. Plus you have the mirror. So let's do some swatches. Let me pull up my shirt here. All right. Ooh, these feel really nice. Very soft, but not chunky. Okay. Here's 4 of them. We'll put them on the arm. Oh yeah, pretty, pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous, very smooth, wow. And then we have this guy down here. Oh, look at that, you guys. These are gorgeous. Here they are up close, very pretty. I don't know, I'm drawn to this gray, I think. This one's my least favorite, which, I mean, I still love it. It's very pretty. But I'm just drawn to these, like these two. Oh, I love them. All right, I think I'm going to start out with this guy and put it in our upper crease area. Okay, can you guys see me? I hope so. All right, upper crease area. Very pretty shade so far. Oh yeah, this shade is pretty. I like that. Now I'm just going to work on blending this shade up towards the brow. Okay, I'm trying to decide if I want to use the purple, the dark brown, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the silver in the palette and we're going to put this on the lid. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, of course, my eyes were already primed with concealer and set with powder. This is gorgeous. Wow. So stinking pretty. I'm still using the same amount. I have not dipped back in. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to take a bit of the brown. I might need a smaller brush, but we're going to try this one first. It's definitely a cool tone brown, but it looks pretty. We'll put some more of the silver over top in just a second. All right, I want to take some of the purple and we're going to put this right above where our shimmer meets, kind of the lid. But I was so interested in this palette because it's cool toned and it's not exactly what I go for. normally I go for warm tones. I'm not even gonna lie. I like warm tones, but I'm totally in to finding other things right now that just aren't, I mean, I have so much. So something different. All right, now go back in with a little bit of our first shade and just go right above all of that. Make sure everything is blended out nicely. All right, why not? Let's take a little bit of the black. Let's just do it. I don't think it's gonna be super, super opaque black, and I'm down for that. So let's just tap this bad boy on a little bit. Grab a brush and just blend it just a little bit. I'm gonna grab just a clean, fluffy brush here and just make sure we're all blended. I'm pretty excited about this. I think I want to do a wing. Because why not? You know, why not? Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, do this eye, throw the face on, and we'll be back to talk about this, and I will reveal the giveaway product. All right, let's get to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the brown here and run it pretty close on the lower lash line. Almost all the way in, but not completely. And I'm actually smoking this out more than I normally would. I don't know why. I just wanted a smokier lower lash. Then we're gonna take the purple and run it right below. And then we're gonna take this guy right below that guy. An inner corner, we're gonna take this guy right here. You guys, so gorgeous. Okay. Mascara on the lower lashes. I'll be right back. Just threw a little bit of brown liner on, the waterline. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm sure you guys know I really like this palette. I think this will be a great everyday palette for so many people. And it's not just your normal blah. Everybody has a ton warm tones. It's different, cooler toned, different colors in it, several shimmers to change up the look, and then still 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes to build your look. So I like this, I recommend it. I haven't used a Kiko eyeshadow palette before, but if the quality is all like this one, I cannot wait to try more because the quality in these is really, really good. Like, I like the formula. So, are you guys ready to find out the giveaway product? We are going to be giving away the Kylie Jenner Kylight. This is in the shade Ice Me Out. I chose this because we were gonna stick with the cool tone theme. I'll take it out, show you guys. Looks like this. Never been swatched or used or any of that. You can see the mirror thing still on there. That is what the inside looks like. Looks like a really pretty highlighter. So yeah, if you want to enter this giveaway, make sure you are subscribed, like this video, hop over to my Instagram, follow me over there, and then you can comment anything you want. Just make sure that you tell me how to get a hold of you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.